jumping straight into today's video, we are starting off with the Bare With Me setting spray. You can use it as a primer and however else you want to use it. So next I'm going in with my Nivea cream just to moisturize my face before I apply my primer. Now I'm going in with my Oil and Shine Control by Smashbox. I don't know what I was saying. Yo, I'm telling you guys, this stuff is so freaking bomb. If you guys don't have this in your summer routine, you need to have it. I'm telling you. Oil where? Oil who? So next I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. This is in the shade Translucent. I'm going to apply a thin layer to my face before proceeding with foundation. Like I said again, this is only I do this in the summer, y'all, because it helps with my oils and it just helps make my makeup last longer. By the way, this is not a tutorial. Let's get ready with me. Next, I'm going in with my favorite summer foundation, which is the Born to Glow foundation. It's in the shade Cappuccino, and I love it because it makes your face look glowy, lightweight. It looks dewy. It doesn't look like matte, y'all. This foundation, I love it. I love it. And paired with a bomb highlighter, says nobody can tell me nothing out in these streets. Next, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using two shades, Toffee, and I'm using Fawn. I use these shades when I look like I need to go back to bed because your girl didn't get enough sleep. So I use these just to brighten up my under eye, and they cheap and affordable. And y'all, like, LA Color says these concealers are popping. You won't want to use nothing else. These are my go-to. Next, we're going to go in with my 24-hour Longwear matte concealer to give myself a little contour. Y'all know I like to go a little hard. I love my contour to just be very, very harsh sometimes. So this is the shade I am using, and I don't know it offhand, but be sure to check the description section below. Alright guys, so I'm going back in with that same Laura Mercier setting powder, and we're going to go ahead and set underneath our eyes, and we're also going to set our contour as well. Like I do go extremely heavy. I just go extremely heavy with the powder because it's summer out there, and as soon as you step, it's 95 degrees out here, y'all. I ain't trying to be looking like a sweat doll in 2.5 seconds. So we're going to pack this powder on like we can't pack it before. And I'm definitely going to bake where my mustache area is, my chin, and my smile lines, because like I said, they'll be the first ones gone. We'll be looking like patches, like no. So we want everything to stay on our face. And makeup for me in the summertime is a no-go. I rarely wear makeup in the summer. It's just lip gloss and that's it, because number one, it's too hot, and I just be sweating like a brat. Like what? But this is the contour I'm using by Coco Naughty. This is Fenty Beauty. I have not put this down since I've purchased it. Like it's a light contour, but like y'all know, I love to go a little heavy. So I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe contour, and we just gonna, you know, y'all see. All right, so off camera, I did pop on some lashes. Now your girl's starting to feel like herself. Once I got my lashes on, y'all, I'm like, okay. But here I'm just, you know, outlining, inner lining. Say, let me stop. I don't know. I'm just lining my waterline so I can have, you know, just a little edgy look. And then we're going to go in with my favorite highlighter for the summer. And this is my e.l.f. I'm telling you guys, you will be glowing to the gods with this. This e.l.f. is the plug. I don't know why people be sleeping on e.l.f. Like, wait, look at that. It's so beautiful. It looks radiant. It doesn't look like, y'all, look at it. Especially when you go out in the sun, baby girl. You and the sun gonna be the most powerful things outside. Okay, I'm exaggerating a little bit. Y'all get my drift. But we can go ahead and, you know, just put it on our nose, the bridge of our nose, tip of our nose, and then wherever else I do put it. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. This is the NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. Y'all know this is my same lip combination. I don't ever change it unless it's a different shade of brown. But for the most part, my lip combo is literally the same. Y'all know I don't really wear different colors on my channel. This is all I do. So we're just going to go ahead and blend that, rub that together. And then we're going to pick up our lip stain, and that's by LA Color. I believe this is in the shade AU Natural. This color is so hard to find in person. Like, I really have to always go on Amazon to get the shade. I'm like, what? Get it together. Why is this ain't in stores? So I'm just going to use my Maybelline setting spray. This is like a matte setting spray, so I do mix two sprays just so I don't want my face to go nowhere. And then I'm just going to use a clear lip gloss I got from my beauty supply store. And this is going to be it for our face. Now we are moving on to the hair portion of the video, and I'm super excited because I'm trying a new unit out. So I do have a bang unit, as you guys can see. A bang, a bob. No, it's not a bob, it's a bang. And it's the Wear and Go cap. This is a 99J wig. Okay, that is what we have here, and I was so scared because, like, y'all, I haven't wore a bang in a long time. When I say a long time, it probably was when I was just graduating high school. I used to always wear bangs then, but being that the fact is like a burgundy color and it has bangs, I'm like, sis, we're gonna get it. We're gonna give it a try. So this is what she is looking like straight out the package. She was nice, soft, and beautiful. She did not have any type of smell. I didn't wash her or condition her. I just really literally put it on my head straight out the package. And as you guys can see, there is no lace. This is one of the easiest wigs install I've ever did in my entire life. I can't even cap. There's no lace. So you just literally put it on your head like they said, wear and go. Literally. But it does have drawstrings in the back. So we're going to cover up this 5 head today with the bang, okay? Y'all see, I don't think I really be showing my hairline, but y'all know I got a big head. But anyway, this is what it looks like when I first put it on. Of course, we got to get it maneuvered and things like that. But I love the color. I love the color. Look at it. And it's nice and deep. It's not a red, like a high red, but it's like a deep, dark burgundy, like that plum type vibes. I did switch rows because I didn't think y'all could see it. But playing the clip back, I didn't even need to do that because you still can see it. But I'm just getting into the bang area first, just combing everything out. Y'all, I did not receive any type of shedding with this unit. So I was just looking at it. I had to take it back off my head and was like, wait, what? But I guess so that makes sense because I'm not cutting into the unit or anything. There's no lace on there. So, of course, why would it shed? So, super hype about that. Didn't have, of course, I have a few tangles. I ain't gonna cap. I did have a few tangles here and there just when it came out the packaging. But after I detangled it, sis, that was non-existent. But we're gonna go ahead and put our Chi Heat Protecting on her, and we're just gonna go ahead and, you know, straighten her out. Like I said, it came like in a wavy type pattern when, you know, I took it out the butt. I was gonna like body wave it, but I was like, no, I'm doing too much. But I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten it out. I've been talking like for 2 minutes straight. All right, guys, so this is what the hair looks like straight in. As you guys can see, this wig is bomb, y'all. It is so bomb. Okay, I'm doing the bang area right now, and I did notice doing the bang area, one of the sides was longer than the other, or had more hair on one side than the other. So just be mindful of that. You know, that's how this unit came. But otherwise than that, y'all, this wig is an A1. It's so easy, y'all. If y'all don't know how to work with lace at all and you love wearing bangs, I would advise you to check out the link below, because sis, this is gonna save your life. Okay, so I was really impressed with this unit. If you guys are interested, like I said below, all information will be listed down below. I forgot to say the inches, but it is 12 inches, okay? I mean 20 inches. Why I said 12? It's literally 20 inches, and I love the density, y'all. It's not too thick. It's definitely not too thin. It's just beautiful, and I love the color. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.